Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You should start by acknowledging risks. Turning off protection raises attack surface and may expose data. Once you confirm admin access and a tested backup, make sure any change aligns with company policy. Instead of disabling, consider managed alternatives like exclusions or controlled firewall rules. Make sure Windows is fully updated and you have antivirus vendor support contact ready. If you still need configuration changes for development or compatibility, plan a rollback and document each step for accountability. Once done assessing risks, adjust protections rather than remove them. You can add exclusions for specific files or folders so trusted tools run without interference. This preserves overall protection. For organizations, use group policy or Intune to apply consistent, auditable policies instead of per machine disabling. Make sure to document the reason, scope, and duration. If pausing is necessary for troubleshooting, do so briefly, monitor activity, and restore protections immediately when finished to minimize exposure. To finish, revert any temporary changes and confirm Windows Defender signatures and protections are active. If settings won't apply, make sure you actually have admin privileges, check for group policy or MDM overrides, and install pending Windows updates. When things go wrong, collect error messages and event logs, then contact your IT team or the antivirus vendor rather than seeking to disable components permanently. This ensures fixes are supported and systems remain protected for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.